How to log out of your Roblox account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of your Roblox account on Roblox mobile. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you can open up the Roblox application. Right here you should get an interface somewhat like this. Now it's loading up, but you'll be at the home page essentially. Now at the bottom you can see various options, right? You can see home, play, profile, and you can see that particular option there, and you can see the three dots option at the bottom right corner. You want to simply tap on that particular option. Remember, the bottom right corner, the three dots option. Once here, you'll be headed into this more section here. Here all you have to do is scroll all the way down below and you'll be able to see the logout option. Simply tap on logout and you'll be able to log out. Remember your password and make sure that you have backed up your account and you have the credentials to log in back again, or you might lose your account. So this way you can log out of your Roblox account. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.